Shoo!
Got you!
Oh, but it tickled me.
Huh?
What was that noise?
No idea. Let's go and see.
I can't believe this. Oh, no, my house, my house. Oh, my poor house. It's crashed down. What am I going to do now?
You could live in a flower.
A flower? Oh, impossible. I am a hermit beetle. I can only live in a tree.
I'm sure you could find another tree.
No way! This tree was a centenarian. And plus, this is where my favorite mushrooms grow. What am I going to do at my age?
We can't leave her like this.
Oh.
I'm Maya, and this is Willy.
I'm Rosie Hermit Beetle.
You must have somewhere else to go. We can come along with you.
Well, there's my brother John, but I haven't seen him in such a long time. We spend most of our time nagging each other.
Where does your brother live?
Near the pond.
Willy? We could go and help Rosie, couldn't we?
Oh.
Well, all right. So I won't stay here for 107 years.
Excuse me, but the pond is on the other side.
Come on, Maya. Let's go play.
I'm afraid she'll get lost.
But she scares me.
I'm fine. I was just stretching.
Oh.
Oh, but I can do it on my own. No, I'm good.
Huh?
Whoa!
Willy! She didn't do it on purpose. She's just not seeing very well. She really needs us.
But Maya, she doesn't want our help.
Huh? Mrs. Rosie! Watch out for the root!